Must be hot up there. Hey guys, so a little construction update for you. Behind us is the new Mickey and Friends structure, whatever they're going to call it. Did I say they were calling it Clio, right? It's coming along. We've got the first level, lots of dudes working out there.
You can see the ramp if we come over on.
Oh yeah, the ramp. And then they've got 2 levels going over there already. That could be the new security there, maybe.
That'd be cool.
Look, there's the ramp to nowhere because they haven't built the top level yet. I bet you that's going to go to the top level, that ramp. Much like this structure.
Crazy how bad we need this structure.
Look at, he's moving a generator right there. AKA a Jenny. Probably the coolest thing about these construction sites to me is there's always American flags.
Yep.
So that the public can see. And there's one on the other side too, way over there by the traffic light.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
So that way you can see which way the wind's blowing too.
Oh yeah, maybe there's a dual purpose, patriotism and function. All right, Galaxy's Edge from Mickey and Friends. Coming right along with what looks to be some of the last rock work on this side. Guys are up there getting all the mesh work laid out. You can see the top of the Mark Twain going through if you look very close to the right of frame.
Look at that. The brand new keeps asking, this is opening summer of 2019.
Yeah, summer 2019, June we think. And this building right here, this is where we think the walkers are.
Oh, they are for sure.
We think they're in that part of that building.
We saw them set up in there.
Yeah, so the walkers are inside there. And it looks like over here, Katie, that there is some more structures for mountains going up. Well, not mountains, they're actually petrified trees, as we found out.
Well, I think some of it's supposed to be rock and
some is rock and some is petrified trees, yeah. But those are brand new. Those must have popped up last week.
Yeah.
And then those will get the mesh treatment, and then eventually the rock coating or the petrified tree coating. Must be hot up there.
I can't even tell. And scary.
It's funny because we watched, it's a trip because we watched this same process with the train when they did all the new rock work for the train. All right, let's go in the park and see if we can check this from the other side. We'll jump on the Mark Twain and catch that view.
As we head into the remote areas of the river, I've been navigating these parts for years, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. Majestic trees.
Ooh, lots of new peaks coming up right over there. Look at that.
The cascading waterfall.
And another building, look.
Deer and elk along the banks. It's all that means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Flint.
There's the petrified trees. Now they're starting to look a lot more like petrified trees, which is cool. Look at that. That definitely looks like a tree now.